Hi friend, this is Krishna here. In this video I will discuss about types of engines and classifications of engines, difference between 2-stroke and 4-stroke, what are the principle of engines. So now I'll go through the types of engine. First, thermal engine. First, thermal engine. In thermal engine we have three types: IC engine, internal combustion engine, EC engine, external combustion engine, and reaction engine. It means vehicle engine. C engine, internal combustion, second one EC engine, external engine, and third one reaction engine. Reaction engine is called vehicle engine. So this is the three types of thermal engine. Now we'll go through the second types: electrical engine. So in electrical engine there are two types: iron drives and Cannet drives. It's called EM, electromagnetics. So first one, iron drives. Second point, EM. It is also called Cannet drive. And third types we have physical engine. So in physical engine there are three types: clockwork engine, second point pneumatic engine, third point hydraulic engine. So this is the three types of engines. First types thermal engine, second types electrical engine, third types physical engine. So in internal engine means IC engine, internal combustion engine, external combustion engine, reaction engine. It is also called vehicle engine. Second point electrical engine, iron drives, electromagnetics, Cannet drives. Third point of engine physical engine, clockwork engine, pneumatic engine, and hydraulic engine. So this is all three types of engine generally used in engineering. Now I will go through the IC engine. IC engine means internal combustion engine is a heat engine which is fuel occurs through the combustion. It is occurs high temperature and pressure combustion apply direct force to some of the component of the engine. The force applied on piston, turbine blade, rotor or nozzle. So internal engine means IC engine. Internal combustion engine is a heat engine which is a fuel occurs through the combustion. It is occurs high temperature and pressure combustion apply direct force to some of the component of the engine. The force applied on the piston, turbine blade, rotor and nozzle. Now I'll sketch the some IC engines working principle. So I'll go to the drawing. So now here this is our crankshaft. This is called crankshaft, and this is called R for connecting rod, and this is called piston, and this point is called inlet crankshaft, and this is the exhaust crankshaft. Now here something like a spark plug, and from this side it is a W, means cooling water or injector. So this is the normal pictures of IC engines. In term of internal combustion engines, which has 4-stroke and 2-stroke piston engine as well as 6-stroke piston engine, Wankel rotary engine. So now we'll explain the 2-stroke and 4-stroke engine. So in 2-stroke and 4-stroke engine, first of all What is a stroke? The movement of pistons TDC to BDC. TDC means top dead center to bottom dead center. In internal combustion engine, term stroke has following related to engine cycles during the piston movement up and down. Piston engine are powered 2-stroke, 4-stroke. Length of a stroke is called a stroke length along with bore diameter. Stroke diameter determined by the cranks on the crankshaft. To calculate the engines of displacement of the cross sections area of cylinder by the stroke length. If you want to collect the displacement of the cross section area of the cylinder while through stroke length, I can calculate the cylindrical area. True stroke engines, I'll give you the pictures of example of two-stroke, just to wait. So this is our two-stroke engine. In two-stroke engine, in one revolution, the two walk will be happen. In second revolution, another two walk will be happen. It means expansion and exhaust will be happen in first rotation. In second rotation, compression and inlet will be happen. So this is the fuel mixtures is drawn into the crankcase. The fuel will be entered from here, and this is the up stroke rotation, and this is valve open. Now the valve is open, and this is the transfer port is converted from this side, and this is the fuel compressed and injector. This is the crankcase. Now in down stroke, if the piston will be go down, now the piston, see here, the piston will move for up in top position. Now the piston in second case, piston will move push in bottom position. So if the piston will be go bottom position, so the fuel will be exhaust from this side. The burned fuel is pushed out the compressed fuel mixtures, and this is the intake port is converted and valve force closed. Now here the inlet port is covered. Now if this part is closed, then the force will be occurs, then fuel will be burned from this, then fuel will be active from this side. In one time two process injector is diesel engine, a spark in petrol engine. In injector in diesel engine, a spark will be in petrol engine. Two-stroke engine always port, not a valve. In two-stroke engine, always a port part. In four-stroke, valve will be there. Transfer port, air transfer from the outside to inside. If you will go for the four-stroke engine, so in four-stroke, section compression, power and exhaust. So TDC to BDC, so inlet in first case, inlet valve will be open and exhaust valve will be closed. So this is the sections. And if you go for compression, so inlet valve will be closed and exhaust valve will be closed. In expansion also, inlet valve will be closed and exhaust valve will be closed. And if you go for exhaust valve, so inlet valve will be closed but exhaust valve will be open. So in injector in a four-stroke engine nozzle, so in diesel engine in four-stroke injector will be happen, but in petrol engine a spark will be there. Diesel engine injector or nozzle, fuel of injector, like heavy engine, truck, tractor, larger vehicle. Petrol engine a spark plug, like motorcycle, car and scooter. First case, inlet valve will be open, exhaust valve will be closed. So suction will be, piston will be move or upward directions, and in second case inlet valve will be closed, exhaust valve will be closed. Drop fuel injected in then temperature will be increased and pressure will be increased. In third case, inlet valve will be closed, exhaust valve will be closed during the mixture of the working of expansion. Inlet valve, last case, inlet valve will be closed and exhaust valve will be open. So exhaust, all burned gas will be come out, all the gas and fuel will be come out from the exhaust stroke. So in the 4 stroke, one revolution will be done suction and compression, second revolution will be done expansion and exhaust process. Two-stroke engine of advantage: less part means lighter weight, fire once every revolution, 2 into power of 4 stroke, cheaper, less complex, easier to work on any case, any situations, can work in any orientation, up, down, sideway. Two-stroke engine and two-stroke engine of disadvantage: no dedicated lubrication system, not as a durable, not fuel efficient, and required expensive oil to be mixed with a gas on a gallon oil thousand of miles, produce a lot of pollution due to the burning of gas and oil. What is the difference between the 4-stroke and 2-stroke? The 4-stroke is a process, the pause cycle of 4-stroke, but in 2-stroke, every 2 revolution, one cycle will be rotate. 2 crankshaft rotation for the 4 power, but in 2-stroke, 1 crank rotation in 4 power. Heavy in a 4-stroke, heavy flywheel, but in 2-stroke, lighter flywheel. In 4-stroke, inlet and exhaust valve, but in 2-stroke, port will be there. In a 4-stroke, charge comes directly into the cylinder, but in a 2-stroke, charge comes first in the crankcase, then in cylinder. In a 4-stroke, high thermal efficiency, but in a 2-stroke, low thermal efficiency. But in a 4-stroke, again low mechanical efficiency, but in a 2-stroke, high mechanical efficiency. So this is our 2-stroke and 4-stroke difference. Now I will go through the 4-stroke and 2-stroke. Petrol engine of the 4-stroke, 4-stroke of the diesel engine. The difference of these two, petrol engine and diesel engine in a 4-stroke. So if you go to the petrol engine in a 4-stroke, so air plus fuel mixture will be enter. In a 4-stroke petrol engine, air plus fuel mixture will be enter, but in a 4-stroke diesel engine, fresh air only will be enter. In a 4-stroke petrol engine, a spark will be there. In a 4-stroke diesel engine, injector or nozzle will be there. In a 4-stroke petrol engine, SI engine, a spark engine, but in a 4-stroke diesel engine, compression engine. 4-stroke petrol engine, constant valve means auto cycles, and 4-stroke diesel engine, constant pressure diesel cycle. In a 4-stroke petrol engine, easy straining, but in 4-stroke diesel engine, cold steering travel. 4-stroke petrol engine, lower compression ratio, but in 4-stroke diesel engine, higher compression ratio. 4-stroke petrol engine, more mileage, but in 4-stroke diesel engine, low mileage. Low mileage in a 4-stroke diesel engine, high mileage in a 4-stroke petrol engine. In a 4-stroke petrol engine, less torque, but in a 4-stroke diesel engine, more torque. In a 4-stroke petrol engine, size is very smaller, but in 2-stroke of diesel engine, size is larger. In a 4-stroke petrol engine, less price, but in a 4-stroke diesel engine, more price. 4-stroke petrol engine, it will give less pollution, but in 4-stroke diesel engine, it will give more pollution. In a 4-stroke petrol engine, it will be silent nozzle, but in a 4-stroke diesel engine, more noise will be happen in the surrounding. So I hope you guys understand these types of engines, classification of engine, difference between the 2-stroke, 4-stroke, petrol engine, diesel engine. So I'll stop here. Thank you.